Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 2 25th of February 2021 question. It's a memory based question. Question is limit minus 2 to 2 mod of 3x minus 6x minus 6 mod dx is equal to what? So this is the question of integration. At first I let I is equal to minus 2 to 2 mod of 3x square minus 3x minus 6 dx is given here. So 3 is common, minus 2 to 2 mod of x square minus x minus it is 2, so dx. So now taking factor of this, so limit minus 2 to 2 mod of x square minus 2x plus x minus 2 dx. So now simplify this one, minus 2 to 2 mod of x minus 2 into x minus 2 into it is plus x plus 1, so x plus 1. These are the two functions. So these are the two functions. So now split this one. So when we when mod is open, then the function is, the integration become minus 2 to 1, and it becomes x square minus x minus 6 dx, and this one is plus 3 once again, and when mod is open, then it become minus 1 to, it is the limit is up to 2, so this one become x minus x square minus x minus 2 dx. After calculating we easily say that is this calculation is very easy now. Just integrating this one and putting the limit, so here we get the answer is 19. So this is the solution of the question 10. This is the solution of question 10. Now moving to question 11. So this is question 11. The value of cosec 2 cot inverse 5 plus cos inverse 4 by 5 is equal to what? 2 cosec and it is cos, it is equal to what? So 4 options are given. It's also memory based question, and the question is from shift to 25th of February. So at first the given question is cosec 2 cot inverse 5 plus cos inverse 4 by 5, that is equal to cosec tan inverse it is 1 by 5 plus cos inverse 4 by 5. So that is equal to cosec tan inverse that is equal to cosec tan inverse. When you calculate this one, so here we get 2 by 5 divide 1 minus 1 by 25, and it is cos inverse 4 by 5. So now this one become cosec tan inverse 5 by 12 plus cos inverse 4 by 5. So now taking this one is equal to, if we take this one is equal to 1 by sine of alpha plus beta. So here we get alpha plus beta. So this, when you split this is sine alpha cos beta plus cos of alpha sine of beta. So now make this so this one is a right angle triangle, it is alpha. So now this is 12 and it is 5. So here it is 13, and here is the angle triangle, that is right angle triangle, and it is beta. So this one is 4 and this is 3, and so this is hypotenuse is 4 here. So the value of sine alpha cos beta is equal to 5 by 13 into 4 by 5 plus 12 by 13. So that is, after simplify, here we get 65 by 56. So I think we reached. So option 1 is our correct choice. So here is the solution of question 11. This is the solution of question 11. Now moving to question 12. Set A 3 element set and set B is 5 element set. X is the number of 1 to 1 function A to B, and Y is the number of 1 function from A to A cross B. Find the relation between X, Y. 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of 25th February 2021 and shift 2, and it's also a memory based question. So let's draw the picture at first. So the picture is, this is set A and this is set A B, and it is maps A to B. This is A, this is B. So here is x1, x2, x3, and it is y1, y2, y3, y4, y5. These are 5 numbers. So now x is equal to, how we select x? We select x as 5c 3 ways into factorial 3. So now this one become A cross B is equal to 15. We know A cross B is equal to 15. So the number of sets. So this set, when we draw this set, so it become here is A, it is A and it is B, and it is map A to B. So it is A cross B set. So it is x1, x2, x3, and it is x1, x2, x3 dot 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 x to the power 15. Sorry, a to the a15. So it is a1, it is a2, it is a3 up to a15. So now how can we choose this? That is y is equal to 15c 3 ways into factorial 3. So when we divide x by y, so here we get x by y is equal to this divide this, so factorial 3 and factorial 3 is cancelled off. So 5c3 divide 15c3. So here we get 10 into, and this b1 become 15 into 14 into 13, and this is 6. So when we all calculate and cancel it off, so it become 2 by 91. So that implies 91x is equal to 2y. So that is equal to 2y is equal to 91x. So this is our required answer, and our option 3 is our correct choice. So here is the whole solution of question 12. So these are the 3 solutions. Any question, any query, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.